Hello everybody, I'm out in the countryside. I hope you're all surviving this pandemic and if not even prospering. Can you be when you're out in the countryside and in nature, or even if you're in a park, or even if you're just walking down the street, if you're in New York or you're watching me in London, the streets of Stockholm, as you walk, can you be present? So every footstep that you take, you connect with the ground, you connect with the earth. Okay, so I'm walking very slowly now. Can you feel the ball of your foot and it rock all the way to your toe or your toes? And you can go a little faster, but just connect, 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 connect. Sometimes I'll say like a little mantra like be, 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 or earth, 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 ground, 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 ground. I'm doing this in my mind, not saying it out loud. So it becomes a practice. I did Tai Chi and Qigong for many, many years, and we'd start off with Tai Chi walking. So we'd walk like from, like you can see this post here, we'd walk maybe 2 posts distance, and you'd walk around the room and I don't know if I can do it from here, but you would do this, your hands would go up like this. So stilling the mind and grounding into the body, and you're equally opening the heart, because it's like a beautiful, joyous experience of being in nature. Even if you're in a hall, even if you're walking along a street. So can you do that whilst you're out and about and experiencing your hour of power, your hour of leisure? I've worked entirely on East Coast America yet again today, and did a lot of work in Florida, and you work with some very difficult issues often, and I ended up with a consultation at the end of the day as well that ran over my 20 minutes, and it can be mentally and emotionally fatiguing. So I have a limit to the amount of clients that I see in a day, and the amount that I see in a week, but just to come out and to be thinking about, I was going to do some connecting to earth, grounding, 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 grounding. It becomes like meditation in movement. It becomes this experience of being whilst you're doing. And human beings are often not human beings, they're human doings. So if anything, this pandemic is an opportunity to create more being. I know that some people are going through incredible hardship, and I know that some people have taken their lives. I realised in the news, and I knew that would probably happen. And I know some people are stressed to the eyeballs, but if you can just find some time, even if it's 1 minute, even if it's 30 seconds, just connecting, breathe from your feet as if you've got roots underneath them. Pull it up and breathe out. Only done that for such a short amount of time, and I already feel so much more present. I feel like I can cope more. I feel like I can be more and see more and give more. Okay, anyway, there's someone coming. I'll have to get on the other side of the path. Wishing you all the best. Bye. If you like this video and others on my channel, please click subscribe, click the bell, and please like, comment, and share these videos. It helps me to make more for you. If you wish for a free consultation, please click the Calendly link underneath.